Today's tip is all about changing pressure the easy way. Have you ever had little rips on your paper just from doing different things? This is done with the emboss tool, and I ended up with some little rips on it, and it was just, so frustrating when you get those little rips. Now, there's a number of things that you can do in order to get rid of the rips, but I just wanted to show you one really, really simple way to get rid of those rips. So I'm going to take you over to Design Space, and in Design Space here, we'll just start a new project. And there we go. I'm just going to use a couple of shapes here. Let's grab a heart. Just make it red. And we're just going to duplicate this. I'm just holding down the Alt key with it. So Alt, you can see the little plus. I get a couple of them. All that kind of thing. Okay, so what I want to do is attach these together. And I'm going to go out here to make it. I'm just going to show you a little trick on how to work with the pressure. We'll pretend this is an intricate design. It's not right now, but we're going to come over here to make it. And yes, that's what we want. We want to click continue, and then of course we want to select our device. I'll just grab my Maker 3 right now, and it will connect to it. And I'm going to go with the medium cardstock. Now, here is where you can change the pressure on the fly. So if you've done a test cut and you find that it's ripping, you can come here, click this little arrow. You can put more pressure so it cuts deeper, or less pressure so that you get a smaller cut. So that is the easy way to change the pressure just before you make your design and your project. That is a simple way to do it. You can do a lot of testing with it, especially if your paper is ripping. You might try some less pressure. If you find that it's not cutting deep enough, try a little more pressure.